Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best bed rails and bumpers for your toddler that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best bed rails and bumpers for your toddler. We all know kids have a knack for falling off, over, and into things, so as your little one gains independence you'll need to keep a step ahead of them. Bed rails and bumpers are basically training wheels for the bed. Number 5 Hiccupot Foam Safety Guard for Bed. The cover is machine washable and the whole bumper is hypoallergenic. If you're a little freaked out by the idea of caging in your toddler at night. Main features. Affordable compared to most trails. No installation or tools needed. No fussing with sizing, straps, clamps, etc. Number 4 Roxy Portable Bed Rail Bumper is low commitment, hygienic, water resistant. It's made of really thick, odorless PVC and even the clumsiest toddler would find it hard to hurt themselves on it. Main features. Hardy and easy to clean. Just wipe down. Couldn't be easier to use. Fits all beds. Number 3 Summer Infant Double Safety Bed Rail. The rails adjust to fit beds from twin to queen size and come in a pair, making it ideal for beds in the middle of a room, although it should be noted that only one of the rails actually folds down. Main features. Affordable. Folds down for easy access to linen. Little assembly required. Number 2 Hiccupot Convertible Crib Toddler Bed Rail Guard. Its float and are just held down by the child's weight or anchors on the other side of the mattress. It attaches to the metal frame of the crib itself. Main features. This rail folds down fully. No assembly required. Fits almost every brand of crib. Number 1 Regalo Double-Sided Swing Down Bed Rail. The Regalo bed rail frequently comes out tops when rated by parents. These rails are quite generous in length and tall enough at around 20 inches. Main features. Taller and longer than most trails. No assembly required. Fits up to a queen-size bed securely. Thanks for watching. To receive every update please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products check the video description.